straight goats. The profile is, there's a slight indentation, but not as pronounced as the Canadian Sphinx. We want a broader chest, we want a good body. You don't want that, I mean, a big, fat, round belly like on this, like a Sphinx. But they have very nice condition on them. They can be like rubber skin like this one, or they can have different coat from chamois to brush. Sometimes they are born with a coat and they will drop it. They will change a lot during their life. Sometimes it's hard to know exactly what kind of hair they will end up having. They can also come with normal hair and then they're not sure what it is. So this is a breed that was developed in Russia, and the Russian breeders thought it would be nice to have an Oriental with this kind of lacquer coat, if I can say so. So they bred them to Orientals and Siamese. So here's a little baby here. They really wanted to have an Oriental with little hair or no hair. But when they bred the rubbers to the rubbers, they had health issues and problems, so they started coming back, allowing for different coats that was healthier. In Tika, because they were introduced as a separate breed, we had to define different features. So the Oriental is very long and tubular, very refined, long whippy tail, long legs. You have this triangular shaped head with a straight profile, large ears. They follow the line of that wedge, and you want that typical slant, Oriental slant to the eyes. They should have green eyes. So that's a 5-month-old baby. So they go through that phase where they have what we call the heading band. That skull is going to change a lot, and then the profile is going to become completely straight. And when you breed these two together, you get something in between that we call the Peter bald. Peter because St. Petersburg, and bald because of the lack of hair. As I said, they're never completely naked. They can have chamois, brush, different coat. So you still have a long body, not quite as long as the Oriental, but almost. You can see where it's getting right. Long tail again. You have a very elegant cat. You will see those large ears. See how different those ears are, high on the head, almost vertical. When the Siamese and the Peterbald will have broader ears at the base, and they will follow the wedge, the straight profile. You can see the difference also in the muscle. This is a baby, but if you want no pinched muscle, they really have this triangle-shaped head, whereas the Peterbald will have a slightly more broader muscle here with a slightly more pronounced pinch. What we as judges pay attention to also, especially with the rubber ones, is we want healthy eyelids. They used to have problems in the Donskoys, and Peterbalds got the same, where the eyelid would roll inside and damage the eye, and they would always look like they had closed eyes. The breeders have worked hard to get open eyes in both breeds. So see how the eyelid does not roll in. That would need surgery. And the Peterbald is the same. Peterbald should have whiskers. They can be a bit, curly, but they should have whiskers.
That's a shot.
Did you get that? So you have
taking videos,
parental breeds, and you have the third breed that was created from mixing the two of them. Breeders are working very hard for the health. The gene pool is still quite tight. The gene pool is tight also in the Orientals. It was a very popular breed. It's not that popular anymore. There's been health issues. The breeders are working really, really hard to produce the healthiest, cats possible. Just for your information, this little cat here, that looks like that is a purebred Oriental, but you would not guess what the breeders behind them, what they've done. They've mixed Turkish Angoras and Havana Browns just to get new blood in, and the work is so good that 4 generations down, you would never tell. But what makes her special, other than the fact that she looks very nice, is that genetically she is diverse and she's offering a brighter future for the breed. So that's really important. And when you breed healthy cats to other cats that are becoming healthier too, then you're getting cats that will live better and a longer life. Do you guys have any questions about the breed?
Not really.
So, do you allow people to touch your cat? Okay, I want you to feel the difference between the coats, because this is more like what I would call rubber in a way, you know. The feel of that coat, of that skin is very different. They feel warmer without the hair, which also means that because they have no coat to keep the temperatures up, they need to eat more to burn calories, so they eat a lot.
They don't look like they eat a lot.
No.
I wish I had that diet.
They have different coat textures to show. The ones that are bald usually stay bald, but sometimes they develop hair and that it just falls up without even doing much. So
Same breed, different coat texture. They likes to sit like this. This is a baby. This is a baby.
They are very like
see, there's slightly more hair there.
Touch it. Very distinct texture. Same breed, different coat texture.
This breed is a pizza ball, is it? Ah.
Yes, beautiful.
Okay. So is it a cross between a Sphinx and the
Sphinx, the Donskoy, and an Oriental.
The Donsk, yes, I know those. Oh, okay, that's
The
it.
Sphinx will have really large
Yeah.
ears, low and broad at the base.
Yeah.
Whereas the Donskoy have the ears are high.
Yeah. Ah. Love it.
The body is not quite the same, also,
Yeah.
and the feel of the skin is also different. The Sphinx come in only one coat variety, and
Yeah.
it's like peach.
Yeah.
Donskoys and Peter Balls come with different coat types.
Yeah.
And
Oh
the
wow.
The breeder here can explain how difficult it is to predict what kind of coat it
Yeah, they're all so different.
The coat grows, it can drop or not.
When he was born, he was absolutely naked.
Was he?
He was a singleton and he squeaked a lot, so he's squeaky, so squeaky makes squeaky face. When he got to about 7-8 weeks, he started developing coat. So he's now a brush coat. He is a silk with white, so you can see his little white bits. What I really like about him is his eyes, and I know Steve's explained the eye shape is so important. He's got really beautiful big open eyes, okay? So he's a brush coat, but a Peter Ball will transition and they can have different style of coat on different areas of his body. So if you look behind the ears and on the neck, he's got a lot less fur. But if you look at his paws, his paws have almost got full fur. But he has a really nice naked belly. Really soft. She really loves being touched on. So
The two parental breeds and the Peter Ball in the middle.
I'll get the gentleman to show you.
what that is, I think. Thinks it's a hand.
That's so squeaky Maxine face.
He thinks it's a hand.
He does.
He likes the camera. He's like, get my good side.